I'm going to look at this morning straight. Why I took it. I think I already made a video concerning why I took that trade. But I have something to address. Okay. So that trade was a solid one. I think the move started here because I had explained this in the weekly outlook. So the move started yeah, I had seen this already when the trading session opened, but I wasn't sure. I couldn't really get a great piece of information there. So I allowed this breakthrough. And what caught my attention was this particular candle actually, this one here. It was a full bodied engulfing candle, and I was just waiting. So at the last 9 minutes, the momentum came down. I knew that it was a trap because everything had synced well. So I knew that if I didn't take that trade at that moment, I would miss out because it's due to experience. And you can see what happened eventually. It was a full candle, and I like to wait for the candles to be complete before I make my trading decisions. It just makes it make more sense to me. So eventually, uh, this trade rallied up, giving me about a percent. I think the same as my risk. I broke even and it came back, took me out. Um, no, I think this wasn't even the one that took me out. I think it was this one because when this move happened, I was in class, so I couldn't get it. So it was this one. So when it went back up, I broke even. So it came back down only to just continue rising up. So, well, now the market has opened with gap, but this trade is was a break even trade. So before this current session opened, I was looking at gold. Initially, I was thinking gold was going to sell today, but for some weird reasons, it bought, and I still cannot fathom how that happened. But things happen. So this is the daily time frame. I still think the market still wants to calm down. Enough of thinking actually, but let's see what it's doing. So it was should I call it a trend line or I don't even know what to call it, but we had this high to this low, a lower high, lower low, a lower high again. And the next move is a downward move. It's only clearer on the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, I saw my trading entry again. That was this. Wasn't fully complete, but I think I got in around there when I saw market retraced back to that point. So if you're on the 15 minutes, you should be able to see a proper breakdown. But now it's looking like a breakout structure. Like the trade is not looking good anymore. But I'm just going to let it run to see what happens eventually because this is a high, a low, a lower high, lower low. Expecting from here should actually start dropping. Actually, that's what I was expecting. But now gold is to just but now it's running back up. So I just going to let it run and see what's up. So my first trade for yesterday was break even, and let me see. I'm going to see how today's one is going to end. So yeah, so I think that's it for the trades I took on Monday. Okay, this is addressing the XAUSD trade I took. I think that was yesterday or 2 days ago. I couldn't make the video because I had to head to class. So this is actually for on XAUSD, and we got strong support and resistance. We got price actually consolidating an area. So I think there was this news that came out. I think it was I can't really remember. I don't think it's CPI. I think it's CPI. Yeah, CPI news came out. Oh, yeah, I think it's PPI actually. Yeah, because if CPI is positive, PPI will actually be positive as well. So PPI came out, supported the dollar actually, And although this trade was stopped out early, because I think I found an early entry on the 15 minutes time frame, and looking at this point, I saw this beautiful trend line that I was hoping to follow. And then when I had seen this break happen, because right yeah, you'd have a hello, hi, hi, hello, I think from here we got a hi, hi, then a hello again. We're supposed to give it to a hi, hi, actually, according to a upward structure. So this was the last low, and it was broken. At this point, when this candle broke this point, I knew that a break of structure was going to happen, because an actual break of external structure starts from the break of the internal structure. So this particular trade losses were called out early, not because of panic, but because of a strong move, strong reason that the market is going to go in the opposite direction. So right now, gold is a little bit choppy, because it's still showing that it still wants to go up despite the news. So I rather just wait for a break of this resistance that looks unbreakable and strong. So if this candle closes up, then we can find our entries.